are getting on Buzz Lightyear, and I'm going to win. Bad news, Space Ranger! The ride just stopped. But I'm still gonna win. I'm gonna beat everybody. They're all going down. And you probably don't know this because Josh hasn't started the video yet, which will start when we get off this ride. There's a bunch of people with us.
But I want to know.
And you can't see me!
So what do? You shoot with one hand and you film in the other?
It's a little bright.
I'm gonna win. Can you see me?
That's awesome.
I'm gonna win at Buzz Lightyear.
Can you bring it out just a little bit?
Everyone else is gonna lose.
Whoa.
I'm gonna win.
Isn't that creepy looking?
No. The ride is
Disney After Dark.
Taylor and I are riding separately. Oh wait, I gotta get it. You're gonna lose.
Now.
920. It's the best I've ever done.
Taylor might be able to beat me on Toy Story Midway Mania, but I will beat her every time on Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin.
No, we won't.
So Taylor's trying to learn this one dance that's been all the rage lately.
I forget how We are at Magic Kingdom, and tonight we are doing VIPassholder Event. It is the very first one. The other two are going to be in like October, I believe, at Epcot. So we wanted to do the Magic Kingdom one, so we are here from 10 to 12 p.m. tonight. It is August 5th. And we are hanging out with a bunch of friends, as I already said on Buzz Lightyear. But I was in the dark. We're doing Josh's favorite ride at Magic Kingdom right now.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are. We're doing Splash Mountain. We're gonna go down Chickapin Hill right into the Briar Patch.
Hopefully I don't get wet again. Okay, so I can't believe this is happening again. Somehow, I'm getting on this ride again. And there's no way I'm not gonna get wet this time.
This is how we get Josh on Splash Mountain. We come at night.
There's no way I'm not gonna get wet.
On.
There's no way I'm not gonna get wet this time. Keep moving.
It was all here. All the friends are here. No friends are waving hi at me.
Alright, so here we go. On Splash.
What? I'm not doing that.
So, Cory meets World, Prince Charming Dev.
You went all the way up, Dev.
So that's our photo. We were trying to go as like headless people. As you can see, it worked perfectly. All right, so we are here at the VIP pass holder. We've been here for at least an hour now. It's about 10 after 11 or so. And it's actually still kind of busy. It's not really, I think it's a little bit more busy than it is for extra magic hours, which I think this is basically what this is extra magic hours, but for annual pass holders. And it's still actually kind of busy. We've only ridden like 2 rides, not even, and which is kind of disappointing. So they've put 4 adults into 1 row. 4 adults.
One is a big adult.
We're getting nice, close, and personal over here.
Yeah.
You know how big I am? Are you for real?
Were you recording?
I'm for, yeah, I was, I got it.
Oh my
So we just got done riding Pirates. I got more wet on Pirates than I do on Splash Mountain. I don't know where we're going now. Where are we going? Now we're gonna trek all the way over to Tomorrowland and ride Space Mountain. It's 11:40 right now, and it actually really is starting to feel like the park is cleaned out, but we only have like 20 minutes left of the park. We're going over to Tomorrowland to ride Space Mountain. I would highly suggest that when you come to events like this, try to get here early. I don't know why they say that you can start coming in at 7 o'clock. That's just when you can start picking up wristbands. But I would suggest that if there's rides that you want to ride that take longer, like Pirates or Splash Mountain, things like that, try to ride those before your time starts so that when you get here, you can ride stuff that is a little bit faster, like you know, Space Mountain or Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin. You know, just to try to be a little bit more effective with your time. Because otherwise, you're really not going to have a lot of time to really run around and do a lot of stuff if you're kind of doing the rides that take longer as far as the ride duration does, you know, during the 2 hours that you have. So just one thing to keep in mind when you're here. I know that's something that I've kind of been thinking about as we've been going through the day. We've been having a really great time. We've been having a blast, but it's just 2 hours and it's still kind of busy because there's still quite a few people here. So. Deb's stretching it out for Space Mountain here.
Up to a complete stop. Docking crews stand by to initiate
409,000 ISO. I want to see what it looks like.
I don't know what that means.
It means it's going to be super great.
Have you ever seen
Oh man, so this is the first VIP pass holder magic hours.
It is?
Yeah, and it's over. It's already
really quick.
It's already 12:30, and I mean we had a good time, but I think it's just like extra magic hours, except I think there's a little bit more people here.
It was a little busy, it felt like.
It was. I mean, we only got to ride Splash Mountain, Space Mountain,
Pirates.
and Pirates. We rode literally 3 rides.
We rode the TTA before Josh got here, but I didn't have
that
the
was
camera.
before the time even started.
Yeah,
Before
technically it was.
the thing started. So I don't know if you can technically count that. We were gonna ride Haunted Mansion. Haunted Mansion's line
oh my gosh,
was
the
all
line
the
was
way
so long.
like outside of the entrance, so we didn't ride
Yeah.
it. So I think it was a lot busier. Not as busy as it would be if the park was still open and running.
Yeah.
And there were a lot of people left after the fireworks, but
I mean, I did accomplish something tonight. I learned the Geeky dance.
yeah. This is what I would say. If you were not able to sign up for this, or you weren't able to get into Epcot, really don't be too upset about it, because
No.
it's a nice offer that they're giving pass holders, but I don't think that it was really worth like getting upset about, or
Yeah, if you could
You
get
know.
into it.
so. But we had a good time.
We had a great time. Oh, you
We
guys
did.
vlogging, I'm sorry.
We did. So, yeah, I don't know. What should I say?
See you real soon,
Awkward ending.
as usual.